So,
Okay.
what did this customer want in the shop here?
Adjusted the tracks, and the transmission is checked for fluid. The motor, the rad, it's been all serviced. So I want to take it out now. He's going to park it or load it this afternoon, take it out to the lake.
Okay.
So I just want to double check here.
Master switch on.
There's a switch on each side. I'm drawing out of this tank. He hasn't got much gas. We'll just start it here.
That was pretty good.
That's only how much gas is got.
Not very much gas.
No. I'm going to open the doors and run it out.
That dog's crazy, eh?